Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video. To know how to fix or how to solve your Amazon Prime Video, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Amazon Prime Video, and you will enter here in this page. You will search about it. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.